Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine and learning something new every day. And you might have seen the earlier parts of this chapter, acid, bases and salts, and you have studied about pH. Now, this pH can be found with the help of pH paper, and this pH paper is available in the form of these strips, which is called pH strips. Okay, and here you can see the pH scale, each pH showing one color. Okay, next part, right? So by using this pH paper we can find the pH of the given solutions. So first I'll show you how to find the pH. Now this is the first solution and I have dipped one pH paper here. Can you see the color change? So this becomes light pink, so, and it corresponds to pH 1. Okay, so this is due to printing some color defect. Okay, so this pH corresponds to pH 1, right? So it means that this substance is acidic. I'll tell you what substance I have taken in this later. Now the second solution, I'll check this one. Now the pH paper has turned, yes, blue. You can match it with the different colors. So about 9, the pH is about 9. Okay, so it means that it is on the basic side, basic substance. Again, third one, this paper has turned blue, so it can be about 12, right? So the pH can be about 12. Next substance, corresponds to maybe 6 or 7, right? 7 we can say. And the last solution, this is also about 7. Okay, so here we have found the pH of different solutions. Now you can decide whether this substance is acidic or basic by knowing the pH. Okay, pH corresponding to the dark red side is acidic, and then it goes on increasing up to 7. So acidic to neutral, and then neutral to basic. Okay, so pH 1 is highly acidic, and then pH 14 is highly basic, right? So this red color goes on decreasing till it becomes yellow to green, and then to blue and dark blue. Okay, so here I have taken the acid and one acidic solution, which is the Harpic toilet cleaner, and here, so it comes to be acidic pH 2. Then this is the basic solution, a soap solution, and here I have taken sodium carbonate, the baking soda, and here the salt solution which comes to be neutral, and here the common tap water which also comes to be neutral. Okay, so I hope you have learned something from this activity. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.